All right, so what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope everybody's having an awesome day. This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and today we're not working on the Honda, we're not working on the Thunderbird. We're back messing with the Mercedes a little bit. It's just a quick little video. It's going to be showing you guys, I got one of the like rear spoiler lip things that goes kind of like that, mainly because, see, I got this like chipped paint right here, and there's like actually, it's hard to see in real life, you can see it, there's like a ding right here, and that spoiler kind of like covers exactly along this area, so it'll cover up my paint chip, which there's no rust on it, which that's good. It'll cover up my paint chip and maybe add a little bit of flair. I will leave the link down below in the description where I got mine from. The guy that does them is in the US, because a lot of these guys sell these like little trim pieces and stuff from overseas, and then you got to wait like a month for it to get here, and you don't know if it's the right color. But luckily he did a good job paint matching the color. It looks OEM. That's what I wanted. I didn't want like some aftermarket carbon fiber looking craziness. So it looks stock, and it was relatively cheap. It was under 100 bucks. I think it was like 80 bucks paint matched, or 50 bucks if you want it just in primer. But I figured, heck, for 80, go ahead and paint that thing. So I'll grab my tripod right here and set it up and go ahead and dry off the area and get it ready, because it just sticks on with like some 3M double tape. All right, guys, so I got my tripod set up. Hopefully the audio is still coming through fairly well. This is the piece that I had I bought. It's the little spoiler. It goes on the edge right here, and it just fits on, boom, like factory. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the back after I get it mounted up. It's made by the company that makes the actual spoiler pieces, DTO, like as in dog, toy, onion. That place is overseas, but the guy that's importing them and then painting them is another guy on Amazon. Link down below in the description. By the way, this is not sponsored. I don't know that guy, but I love giving a shout out to a guy that provides like quality products for a reasonable price, because some people were charging almost the same exact amount of money, plus on top of shipping, and then it was going to be a long lead time. He had this painted up and shipped to me in under a week, so I was like, that's impressive. Gotta give credit where it's due. So there's a little bit of like dew actual on the car. I got some wipes. I'm gonna wipe this off. He gave some instructions along with it. He was like, basically make sure the surface is like super clear and super clean and not wet. He included some like 3M double-sided tape, and then I also had some Gorilla double-sided tape. I don't know which I'm gonna use, but I got them both, so yeah. And it's getting a little dark on me, so I want to get this done somewhat soon. I'm gonna make sure this is dry because I had set it on there. Yeah, look at that, easy. All right, now it's I could probably double side with the big stuff on this top lip, and then that small stuff on the bottom side lip, because it's a little bit smaller. All right, so it did get dark on me, but I got it mounted up. There's what it looks like from the back. From the side, it covers up my paint chip. My paint chip was right up under there. See, you can just barely see it now. Right there. But yeah, I mean, you got to be standing behind the car and up underneath it. If you're just walking up to the car, and actually from behind, can't tell. So yeah, it did the job. I like the look of it. I don't know if this was ever like a factory option on the cars, but it really seems to fit the cars nicely. And with that Gorilla mounting tape, I used the Gorilla mounting tape on the top, then I used the 3M like pinstripe tape up underneath here on this this little section. But I can tell you I kind of messed up when I put this side on, and I was like, oh crap, and I just barely stuck it, and I went to go pull it up, and that stuff is on there like really, really good. So the only thing that's bothering me now is now it's more noticeable that my third brake light thing right here is cracked. So might have to source me one of those, get that thing replaced. But I'm happy with the look. Check it out. So yep, we have a couple more mods coming for the Mercedes. I did get lowering links for the air suspension, so we will be lowering the car down. Hopefully those will be in here in the next couple days. But if you did want to check out, they make these for, I believe it's all the E-Class cars, like E55, E63, E500s, 350s, 320s, all those, because they all use that same back trunk lid. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.